Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Scientists have found an unexpected sign that may warn of impending joint disease. You will be amazed. The high protein content that lubricates the knee joint may actually be a harbinger of future joint disease, according to a recent study in Animals Health Day writes. Scientists have studied the role of a protein known as lubricin in injuries to the anterior cruciate ligament in dogs, as it may also play a role in similar injuries in humans. Lubricin is critical for healthy joints and cartilage lubrication, said researcher Heini Raising, assistant professor of equine health at Cornell University's College of Veterinary Medicine. We know that if a person or animal does not produce this protein, they will develop a devastating disease that affects all the major joints that support body weight. But Raising's team found that in dogs that experienced a ruptured knee ligament, joint lubricin levels increased, which was the exact opposite of what the scientists expected. Until now, it was believed that with diseases and injuries of the joints, the level of lubricin decreases. In the 3 experimental dogs, lubricin levels increased between the main injury and the first signs of arthritis. This indicates that the presence of an increased amount of lubricant may actually be a biomarker for predicting future osteoarthritis, Raising said. We also observed increased levels of lubricin in dogs after 3 months, and even years after they injured the cruciate ligament, suggesting that lubricin may be an indicator of ongoing joint instability. When we look at horses and dogs, we see the same pattern, Raising said. Of course, the most compelling data can be obtained by testing it in humans. However, the results of animal studies do not always translate to humans. An increased amount of lubricin can be a signal for doctors to intervene or change the treatment regimen. The study was recently published in Scientific Reports. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.